The sleek, sturdy design of the aluminum pan with lid not only provides durability, but also ensures optimal heat transfer, making it an indispensable tool for your line. Its compatibility with TA Instruments' cutting-edge equipment ensures seamless integration into your experimental workflow. At RedThermo, we pride ourselves on offering top-notch scientific equipment that meets the rigorous demands of modern research, experience the precision, reliability, and innovation that our standard aluminum pan with lid brings to your thermal analysis experiments.